how to set a time duration to answer calls automatically on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone app. From here, tap on the More button, then choose Settings. In Call Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Answering and Ending Calls. From here, tap on the left panel on Answer Automatically. Then from the list, you can choose after 2 seconds, after 5 seconds, or after 10 seconds. You can even set a custom time. So here the custom times can go up all the way to, I guess will be around 99 seconds. So up to 99 seconds. And then tap on Set. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.